Infinite Warfare sucks.
That's right.
Sit down! Sit down!
You got pus on my new shirt!
Behind you! Oh, geez! Skygoose!
Triple kill!
Incoming! Spinning beam and oh. You're gonna die now! Payback some dicks, motherfucker! No, stop! No, get over here! Ow! That hurt! I'm gonna get you!
No round! I need to stop. How's this for up close and personal? You wanna throw down, Fury Boy?
Don't fucking melt. No, I can't do it!
There.
Oh, hi! Kanye Riz can't break these beats. No. Hold on to this.
Get over here!